This is amazing. All my days I've never experienced lightning like this. Right there. Good chance today. We've got storms already starting to develop. I think I've pulled off the right thing to do with my Thunder Buddy Fuzzy 97 Storm Chaser. Holy sh**. Oliver! Oliver! And I just don't know what to do. Rocket of a thunderstorm. Good to have you back on board, bro.
Yeah, bro. I won't miss this.
Holy sh**. That is some gnarly sea. Can you hear? Can you see? You know, there's so much politics and crap going on in the world, isn't there? And then when you get moments like this, you just realise how insignificant we are as human beings and maybe what we are doing to the planet. Oh, dear me.